Hi, my name is Jessica and I live on a beautiful island called Jamaica. We are preparing for the Linefall adventure. This is quite a difficult waterfall to get to, but I heard it is magnificent, so I want to give it a try. Here is my first failed attempt. As I said, not an easy task. But in the end, we made it. And guys, I'm so proud of myself. So basically, I'm officially a lioness now. After this epic adventure through the tropical forest, we will have authentic Jamaican food, cooked on wood fire. Join me on this epic adventure. Hi, we're back. Yes, for another vlog. Guys, this is gonna be part 2. Nicole is here. Guys, I said the last time I couldn't make it to the other waterfalls, and I said I'm gonna come back. Nicole is visiting. Perfect opportunity to say, all right, let's check out these other waterfalls. So guys, you and me, we're going there. Was it here? I don't even remember. Hold on. Oh, further up. Pretty close. I'm just amazed. It's really pretty close. It's so cool to be in Kingston and have actually such a cool place nearby. So you don't have to go far to venture into nature and waterfalls and all the good stuff and good food. Yeah. Toc toc toc. Hello. We have those little cabins or cottage. Guys, are you ready to explore the waterfalls? I am so ready. Yeah, go on a mission. I love it. I so love it. We're in Kingston and we're going on a mission. Yeah. Let me test the water a little bit. Oh, Jesus. What did I sign up to?
Put a little piece on it.
Oh, but I smell it.
You don't smell nothing.
I will smell it. I hope I can.
You never smell the last time you come? Yeah,
but maybe.
I got a bird on the stone right this stuff.
And I didn't. Awesome. Oh yeah.
No, like them at church.
Yeah.
I them burning at the church then. Like the Catholic church.
Yeah. Oh my God, I smell it.
The family, the pastor walk with. When comes there, you see that smoke, I eat tonight. Cut and clear.
Wow. It actually smells, it reminds me, it smells eucalyptus vibe. Yeah.
Sure.
Wait, call again?
Frankincense.
Frankincense.
Yes, frankincense and merch are 2 of them. So I think that I don't know.
Smells so strong.
And come together.
Frankincense. Isn't this cool? You put it on some coal and so does not smell bad at all. This is so
good. Natural thing, natural first.
And off we go. I'm so ready for this. Doggy! Alright, so we're going on the hike. We're going to explore the waterfalls, and then when we come back, we're gonna have a dinner. I heard that the waterfall where we're going now is a tricky one. It's not easy to get there. So right now I don't even know if I will get to video that part. Brownie. Huh? One day I will come and jump in any pool and every pool, but not today. Today when I've seen all of the waterfalls is the day where I'm just gonna come and do pool hopping. Yeah, watch your step, girl. This is the... See guys, a lot of work. Yep. Steps are made. Perfect. Alright. See guys? So make it easy to get to the fall. Perfect. Ramo, you put in the work.
Mash up, girl.
You started your new channel too, right?
Yeah, YouTube up and running now.
Up and running, people.
Go and subscribe to the channel.
Alright.
At far.
Far, pretty close. What do we have on the menu today?
Ackee and saltfish, callaloo, fried breadfruit, fried plantain, and you can do some festivals here. So, what do you possibly?
Yes, people. I love this trail. This is super cool.
Careful, careful, what you going on?
Take down the rock. It's wet. Woo-hoo! I love it! Let's go guys. We're exploring the waterfall. Lion Fall.
Orchid and then going to
Orchid. Lion Fall is a difficult one.
I must see it again and then we go to Lion.
Yeah, can't reach up there.
Used to never do what's best for me. I was such a hopeless fool. I just kept making the same mistakes, yeah. That was until I found you. You became the middle way between getting no love and getting way too much. I pray that you're the one who cares for me, cares enough to keep me safe. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go.
I'm at these places, I just feel like just a kid in a candy shop. I just know it energizes me. Yeah.
You walk up and bump, so every time you move one foot,
Yeah.
and you can move. So it's like, you just actually like you walk on the rock.
Oh.
But not showing you.
So see guys, there's the first rope. So we're gonna attempt the climb to Lion Fall.
Lion Fall. You have to be a lioness and a lion to climb.
All right.
Hungry dog can't climb it. Lion and lion.
Lion. That's good, that's good. Be a professional waterfall chaser. Is that a job? This is a job. I want to apply for it. Chasing waterfalls. So nice. I love it. Yo guys, this is just the coolest thing to do in Kingston. Yes, escape the hustle and bustle of Kingston. It's pretty close, 876. That's your place. So, guys, wish me luck. Really want to get to that last waterfall, but she said it's a little difficult to get there. So, let's see.
Ready?
We're doing this. Oh yeah, those nuts help.
You can, you can.
There. Those nuts are definitely the deal. Oh my god, this is exciting. Look at this. Yo, this is so good.
back to this. When I go down, that's some perspective. I hear that here we have to go around. Just check your stuff. So every minute I'm going to go up.
So far, so good, people. Woo! It almost has like a little cave vibe, open cave, because we're surrounded by these big rocks. Let's see, guys. So rock to the right, big rocks to the left, and we're going through there. Yeah, you! People, I'm telling you, it's good. Sometimes you just have to come outdoors, challenge yourself, climb up the rocks, go for a swim. It's good for your soul. Yes. So I'm telling you, these days nothing went according to what I had, planned, and a lot of things not working out the way I want, but now I'm here and I just forget about everything and I'm just happy. Nice. Oh my god, yo, this is nice. Oh yeah. Are you going?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. If I go up on the rope right, I say
Yeah.
to the fall. Alright, that's the fall then. Yeah, so it's there. You can call the bubble to go on the back.
Yeah.
That was the challenging part.
Alright. Alright. That's actually the way. The gate.
Yeah, gate to lion.
The gate to the lion cross.
Yeah, step to the, yeah man, step right to the corner to get a more grip.
Alright, so this is the famous well girl, you wanted to come here? Oh my god.
Just wet up and done. Show me dry, you can wet up. You want to take out the shoes? Yeah.
I get down. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. I never worked so hard to reach a waterfall. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so nice. My heart is pumping. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, I'm shaking. I am shaking. This tomorrow I cannot even drink coffee. Oh my God, Nicole! Yo, I'm so proud of you! Falls, we made it! Yes. High five. Yeah, that's good. Woo! Girl, proud of us, guys. I'm so proud of us. Really. Yeah. I don't know how we get down, but we reach up here. That's the hardest falls I ever did. Like, really? Yeah, I never have to work this hard to get to a fall.
And I can do that because Jeff is like the person who's like the super, you know, sports athletic one. So if she managed it and I manage it, I'm super proud of you.
No, you are. Yeah. Chapeau. Like, girl.
Yeah.
This was very difficult. But nah, like. Yo, this is vibes. Absolutely epic. I love it. This is so cool. Especially how hard it was to get here. Girl. Magnificent, gorgeous.
underneath. Yeah, anywhere underneath that they get a grip.
My God. I can't believe it. If you want to go. I cannot believe I did this. My, like, ay! We going to be sore tomorrow. We can swim next time.
It's like a big step. This way.
Yes.
Then now, one big step round, you have to go. Walk on a piece there from right out.
Yes. Man, people. I'm so, oh, look at the dogs are waiting. Yes, you guys been waiting. Yeah, you've been waiting. We're back. We will be sore tomorrow, I'm telling you. Because every time it's like you're holding on to your life. This is so cool. I'm so proud. So proud. My biceps are shaking. Yes, like I don't know if you can see it. Oh man.
Here?
Yeah. Let me give you back the camera.
Around your step.
Yeah.
The whole row, and it's like, yeah, come down this way. 1, 2. Yes, always pull down.
Huh?
The lace. Shoot it. It's not pregnant.
You named the dog Lucy?
The Lucy, the one by Lucy.
I'm gonna rename her or him.
Lucy, Taffy, Bama, and Brownie.
Brownie? Lucifer, I'm gonna give you another name. Yeah, people, we're doing this. We serve this lunch so much. Lunch and dinner, yeah. Lunch and dinner. Don't leave your garbage. Here, people? Even here where we try and Ramo tries his best to keep this place clean. What is this? Do not litter, people. Really, guys, if you know Gordon Town, so there's the other waterfall in Gordon Town. It's unbelievable the amount of garbage over there. So over here, it is very clean, very clean. We were just talking about, even though signs at the entrance saying do not leave your garbage up at the river, and we found 2 of those. So we really have to do better. We really have to do better. Alai!
So them man stay up on them back.
For real?
And then see this little marker man, but man is saying a strength, you know? That's chill. Easy, me go up it.
You go up more than once. I can only manage this climb one time, and then you guys, now I'm even more proud of us because they said some strong guys tried and never make it up. Some big muscle up guys. But I think the trick was
On my first attempt, I was leaning back, so I had my entire weight, which I would have to have shifted with my arms, so that was difficult. So the second attempt, I really tried to lean more towards the rock, and then that worked. You have to move your hand. Oh my God. Coffee beans, yes. I'm so pumped. Nature is amazing. I'm living for these nature walks and exploration. It's just nice coming here, achieving something. We are official lioness. We are officially can call ourselves lioness. People, I have to come back again. Yes, because now I'm tired and we are hungry. So there is one more waterfall. We will keep that for another vlog, which is good. I'm always happy to have content, right? We're going to visit that another day. But this definitely was the most difficult one. Yeah, that is that.
Yeah. You spent a nice time?
I did, and
Okay.
I'm so proud that I made it up there.
Okay.
That's a very difficult climb.
But you made it.
I made it.
Okay.
And it required all my strength.
Okay.
It's no joke. Separate like this. Yes. Alright. Freshly picked.
Tell us enough of them don't make it, man. They reach as close as to go up. Can't make it. Trust me.
Man,
Yeah, come and tell us a lot of people reach this and reach up there, you know.
hurry, we're on live and we see you.
Not far.
Not far,
Pretty close.
Not far. Right? I just want to buy something, but we're still good enough.
Yeah, handstand.
Right.
Careful, they talk about bite.
Well, this one is one of my IG. We don't have them in a public space. Right? We over here strong. We're strong.
They use the didos. You might try it already because you're everybody.
Look at planted, brown and nice.
A bun of your mean about brown and nice.
Whatever. But they're firm, so yeah. I'll take it. No second planting.
Them on them. Man, we use our having a mama teach them things in the country, you know. Use our having a make fashion, you know, boy. Them say them not this. Nice. Alright, to start now, right? Let us throw them in the pot a minute and very nice, right?
at that. Nice.
The more I can get a nice picture.
Yep. Look at this. Happy! Oh my god. We deserve this so much. I cannot wait to dig into this. Alright, right now. No long talking. Oh, I need a fork. Want some? So we have the goodness here.
Right in the vibe.
Yeah. Oh man. That's just the best part. After the hike, you come back to some good food. Oh. Breadfruit, yeah. Here, that's where we get the strength.
It looks good.
Huh?
Again, I'm doing it.
It's getting night, people. Enjoy this snow, and then I catch you on my next adventure. Bye.